Hi everyone! In this video, I'd like to show you how to make a vial shape using a cat's cradle string loop. If you don't have a cat's cradle string loop, please make one yourself. The tutorial is in the description box below. Let's get started! First, spread the cat's cradle string loop and hook it onto your left thumb and pinky. Keep the strings parallel and hook the other end of the loop onto your right thumb and pinky. Next, using your right pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string on your left hand. Then, with your left pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string between the two vertical strings of your right hand. Next, with your pointer finger, hook the two strings on each side together. Bring your pointer fingers back up and pull them to the sides. Next, release the pinky strings. Then put your pinky, ring, and middle fingers together on both hands and insert them into the spaces in front of each pointer finger. With both middle fingers, pick up the two strings around your thumbs. Slowly, take your thumbs out. Next, using the backs of both thumbs, pick up the two diagonal strings. Lastly, release the middle finger strings. And ta-da! This is the cat's cradle vial. Does it look like a vial? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try it yourself. Remember, practice makes perfect. And the next video, I will show you how to use this cat's cradle vial to make a diamond. With just a few more steps, you can create another fun figure. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.